Hi friends and viewers, this is Moinuddin. Learn Easy Maths channel is going to present you today with one new topic in mathematics. Friends, my today's topic is divisibility rule. Divisibility rule is such a great weapon for us to just know what is the nature of the division, because we know that as far the single digits are concerned, 4, 6, 8, 10, easily we can say that as 4 is divisible by 2, 4 and 6 is divisible by 2 and 3, 8 is divisible by 2 and 4, 10 is divisible by 2 and 5. But when we just go ahead, when we go further, if we find the numbers more than 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits and such a very long and a large number, how can we just decide and how can we just confirm that which particular number is divisible by which exact that number? So for that one, in our mathematics we have certain divisibility rule. The first rule is that how can we say that which number is exactly divisible by 2? Which number is divisible by 2 is very simple. Any number whose unit place is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in unit place. If you find a unit place these numbers either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then you can say easily that that number is divisible by 2. For example, 12, 10, 14, 16 and 18. What do you find in the unit place? In unit place 2, 0, 4, 6 and 8. So this is the confirmative test for divisible by 2. Okay. Next, divisible by 3. How do you say that which exactly number is divisible by 3? For example, when you take this one, 183, the rule says that here it is not unit place testing. The rule says that count or make the sum of all the digits. How many digits we have? We have 3 digits. So make the sum of all 3 digits. 1 plus 8 plus 3. 183 is a number and I am going to make the sum of all the 3 digits. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 3 is what? Its sum is 12. Now you test it. This sum is divisible by 3 or not? If this sum is divisible by 3, then you can say that the whole number is also divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3. Yes, this is the test for the divisibility by 3. Now coming to divisible by 4. What is the true test for the divisible by 4? We will see that 264, 316, 784. When you see this one, the rule says that a number is divisible by 4 if its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. In this number 264, the last 2 digit is 64. Test 64 is divisible by 4 or not? 4 1s are 4, 16s are 64. Yes, therefore 264 is also divisible by 4. 4 6 are 24, 2 comes, join 4, 4 6 are 24. Yes, absolutely. This 264 is divisible by 4 because its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. If you take 784, test 84 is divisible by 4 or not? 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Yes, the last 2 digits of this number is divisible by 4. Therefore, 784 is also divisible by 4. 4 1s are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then 4 9s are 36. 2 comes, 4 joins and 4 6 are 24. So this is the rule of 4. Rule of 2, rule of 3, rule of 4. Now very quickly proceeding to the rule of 5, 6, 7. What the rule of 5 says is very simple. Viewers, is very simple. Which number is divisible by 5? Any unit place which consists of 0 or 5. For example, 125, the unit place is 5. 100, the unit place is 0. 3, 4, 7, 8, 5. The unit place is 5. Any number, the unit place contain or consist 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5. Proceeding further to divisible by 6. So which number is divisible by 6? Viewers, it's very simple. If you take the test ready in hand with 2 and 3, why we have to go for the first test of 2 and 3 means because 6 has two factors, that is 2 and 3, the two first primary prime number. 2 and 3 are the first primary prime number. So you have to test if any number is divisible by 6, you have to test it that whether that number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. If it is passed or if it is tested true for both these 2 and 3, then you can say easily that this number is divisible by 6. For example, 684. 684. This number. Is it divisible by 6 or not? I said you that first go for the test of 2 and then go for the test of 3. If you go for the test of 2, I would like to remind you and recall your memory that what is the test of divisibility by 2 says that any number whose unit place consists or contain either 0, 2, 4 or 6 or 8, then that number is divisible by 2. Can you find that here? What is the unit place of this number? It's a 4. Then obviously it is divisible by what? 2. Yes, the first test is passed. Now coming to the next test, divisible by 3. What to do that divisible by 3? I told you that whatever the number is given, make the sum of their digits. Make the sum of their digits. So if you make the sum of the digits, you get 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. Then you divide with 3. 3 6 are 18. Yes, the given number is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3. Then I can say that the given number is also divisible by what? 6. Test it. 684. 6 ones are 6. Then 8 comes down. 6 ones are 6. 2 and 4 comes down. 6 fours are 24. The remainder is 0. So this is the test for the divisibility by 6. Now the last in today's video, I am going to just share and I am going to teach you the divisibility by 7. It's very interesting. My one question to you all, the viewers, in most of the textbook, particularly our state related textbook and state syllabus textbook, we don't find the test for the 7. Even in 8th standard we have the divisibility rule, and in 6th standard we have the divisibility rule. But I am wonder and surprised to see that we do not have any divisibility rule for 7. I am going to share you that rule before you know. The divisibility by 7. Take this one, 798. What is the test of divisibility by 7? Take the given number and select its unit place. What is the unit place in this number? 8. Then multiply or double that unit place. So 8 is unit place, I multiply with 2. Double means multiplying with 2. I got the product 16. Then subtract this 16 with the remaining numbers. 798, listen it carefully, 798, I have taken the unit place and doubled it. Then I got 16. What is the remaining number? 79. Then subtract this 16 from this 79. This is 3. This is 6. 63. Now you test that is 63 divisible by 7? 7 9s are 63. Yes, absolutely. This is divisible by 7. Similarly, when you take another number 672. 672. What is the test? Once again I repeated that. Take the unit place number and double it. What is the unit place number here? 2. And double it, you get 4. And the remaining number is 67. I am taking the unit place 67. Subtract this 4. You get again 63. Then this is 7 9s are 63. Then this is divisible by 7. Last but not the least, the last number I am going to tell you before you that 707. 707. Test it whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Then I told you the rule says that take the last number. Yes, we have taken. Double this number. Yes. Obtain the product. We obtain the product 14. Then subtract this from the given number. 70 minus 14. Then how much it is? 56. 70 minus 14 is 56. Then you divide with 7. 7 is 56. Obviously, these numbers are divisible by 7. So with these rules, viewers and students who are watching my channel, I hope you enjoyed the divisibility rule. The first 5 rules is not a great thing, just as a reminder and also the refreshment of your knowledge. I told before you and explained the things. And this particularly, hopefully, I know that this rule, I am not saying that I am only the first person to just introduce with this rule, but hardly we are able to find this rule in most of the textbooks. So if you are knowing that the divisibility by 7 earlier is well and good. If you don't know, please do remember and do not forget, and remember that what is the true test for the divisibility by 7. In our next future videos, in next coming videos, I am going to tell you the divisibility by 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. So with this, I am going to take a leave from you, and this is the end of the video of this session. I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, as usual in every video, what I just request you, what I just appeal you, that please, what are you doing and what are you thinking? No, having seen all this video, why don't you make up your mind to just subscribe me? Are you subscribe Baba? What is the loss? There is no registration fees, there is no reservation fees, nothing else. Just only you have to just subscribe button, press it, you get a bell icon and touch the bell icon, you get all my videos notification, and please do share with your friends, because this is a learning channel, this is a learning platform. With this, I end up my video and say you goodbye and bye bye, take care.